A day like today is fantastic for students because they have the opportunity to meet people from different kinds of companies, people that work in the real life out there. So it's important to get out of the academic context to see what's happening in the business area.
My impression of U students is they are very enthusiastic, they are willing to take a new challenge.
It's a sort of a fundamental step towards entering the entrepreneurial world, or at least the professional environment, depending on what your specialization is.
Interacting with the employees of these companies helped us improving in our CVs and improve our skills.
If I had to summarize EU's Career Day in 3 words, I would say broadening experiences, getting involved, and broadening your horizons.
Career Day for me gives me a fantastic opportunity to do some solid networking and to get some amazing insights from companies with an incredible status, which sort of pulls me closer into the real world professional environment.
I already met a lot of international people. I see there's a lot of opportunities going on, a lot of interviews, a lot of network.
It's something that we are very grateful for, and I know the effort that EU has been putting to make this kind of events happen.